accountability, and justice. These principles have informed my 25-year-long career advocating for survivors of sexual violence and abuse. Although progress has been made in the courts and in communities across the country, sexual assault is the only violent crime in Canada that, unfortunately, shows no sign of declining. And the reasons that many survivors were reluctant to take action when I began doing this work back in the 1990s are often the same today. Guilt, shame, fear of not being believed, and this despite the fact that less than 5% of reported sexual assaults are false accusations. And perhaps most disheartening of all, fear of repercussions from their perpetrators. Understandable, since more than 80% of sexual assaults are committed by someone the survivor knows. Together with the often debilitating harms caused by sexual abuse, these are among the reasons why only 6 out of every 100 assaults are reported to someone in authority. I also know that the legal process can be overwhelming and contribute to a survivor's reluctance to come forward. Do I have to go to the police and go through the criminal court process, or are there other options? For example, can I sue in civil court? If so, who can I sue? When should I file a lawsuit? What happens once the civil court process begins? And what types of compensation and support can I receive? These are all valid questions that we believe survivors deserve to have answered before they decide to engage in a legal process.
You may be aware that if you're assaulted by an individual, you can take legal action against them. But did you know that an institution like a school, church, hospital, or sports team can also be sued if an employee or volunteer, in the course of performing their duties, causes you harm? It's called vicarious liability, and it provides survivors with a remedy to ensure that all those who may be responsible for their injuries, pain, and suffering are held accountable. So, even if an employer didn't know about the misconduct by its employee or failed to sanction the behavior, they could bear responsibility. In this way, vicarious liability can operate as a means to motivate employers to exercise care in the selection, training, and supervision of their employees. Vicarious liability also provides survivors an opportunity to be fully compensated, since an individual perpetrator may not have sufficient financial means to cover the wide range of damages an assault typically causes. There is no doubt that vicarious liability is a powerful legal tool that can be used to deter and prevent sexual misconduct and provide survivors with a meaningful remedy. Our video series is designed to shed new light on sexual abuse law, a specialized area within personal injury, and to provide the insights you need to help you make an informed decision about what is best for you and your loved ones.